Before we begin, this video is part of Vista Systems' It Pays to Watch program, which means we pay for you watching this video. So while you're watching, look out for the 4-digit number which will appear at some point. Write it down quickly, it's worth money, so keep your eye out for it. And thanks for watching. In order to understand what VSPEC is, you need to take a look at the final product and see actually what we're producing here. Basically, we're putting together a brochure, and it'll include the sign schedule of the project. It'll also include technical specs for all of the signage. And these specs will include the sign types, shapes, sizes, and actually depending on the level of VSPEC ordered, it could also include text and locations on the blueprints. We're offering the service to 3 types of audiences. It can be the end user, the architect or designer, or the sign professional or manufacturer. Well, actually, it's pretty amazing. Architects came to us and said, listen, you manufacture signage systems and we want from you a technical spec for the project. And at first we were a bit baffled by the request, but then we realized that there's actually a real need for this in our area, especially for medium-sized projects. So let's put aside the really big projects like hospitals or airports. There, indeed, the technical spec is a labor of meticulous, endless, and thorough collaboration between many people, and the final product is complicated. On the other side of the spectrum, let's talk about small projects that basically end with the sign professional who also specs the project. Here, we can make our mark. We turn to you, the architect, and we tell you that we will do the technical specification for you. Eventually, it's exactly what happens. Architects use our VSPEC service. Once the architect gives the approval, the sign schedule is produced bearing his or her logo and includes all of their contact details. When an architect wishes to get this product from us, all they need to do is just pick up the phone, brief us on the project, provide the blueprints, maybe some photos of the final layout of the building, and just a short conversation on all of the characteristics, colors, design, and preferable signage types. We offer flat, curved, illuminated. And then once we have this information, we will work specifically on that job and eventually confirm it all with the architect. Our team will handle the technical specifications completely. It's a highly professional team having the qualification and ability to analyze the blueprints, break them down to the traffic zones, decision-making points, and see from a 2-dimensional plan a 3-dimensional end result. Our team of graphic designers produce the graphics based on chosen outlines. Technical drawers produce the elaborate technical drawings and images. And eventually, our project uses all of these elements and combines them into an aesthetic, elegant sign schedule. And this is what the final product is. So this service is provided free of charge to architects and designers. And it's here where we face the most objections, including some raised eyebrows. Why do you supply all of this for free? But actually, it's very simple and easy to explain. All of the sign schedules are done based on Vista System product lines. So it's in our interest to provide architects with this service and make it easy for them to use our products. Both of our interests combined together turn this venture into a huge success. The best thing to do is just simply order VSPEC for the first time, and from my experience, it is a real game changer.